Are you tired of feeling trapped in a life that doesn't align with your dreams? Do you ever wonder why some people effortlessly manifest their wildest desires while you find yourself stuck in a cycle of frustration and doubt? Well, today is the day you break free from those barriers that have been holding you back. Get ready for a transformation that goes beyond wishful thinking as I unveil a powerful manifestation mantra that has the potential to reshape your reality. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through techniques that will empower you to manifest anything your heart desires, whether it's financial success, a dream vacation, a thriving business, or simply a life filled with joy and abundance. So if you're ready to step into the life you've always dreamed of, stick around, because this video is your ticket to unlocking the power of manifestation. Hey there, dreamers and believers. Welcome back, and today's journey is all about breaking free from the limitations that have held you back and unlocking the door to your wildest dreams. I get it. We all have desires and dreams that sometimes feel out of reach. But what if I told you that the power to manifest those dreams lies within you? A year ago, I was exactly where you are now, skeptical and wondering if manifesting my desires was just a fantasy. Today, I'm living proof that it's not only possible but achievable. And guess what? You can do it too. In this video, I'm about to share with you the manifestation mantra that turned my life around, and by the end of our time together, you'll have the tools to attract the life you've always envisioned. So grab a seat, buckle up, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. In the intricate tapestry of manifestation, we find ourselves questioning why the profound concept of the law of attraction isn't universally embraced. Delving into this query reveals a fascinating dichotomy. While the process itself is inherently straightforward, the common mistakes individuals make often shroud its accessibility. This disjunction becomes the backdrop for the unveiling of the manifestation mantra, a potent force that not only demystifies the intricacies of manifestation, but also serves as a personal testament to its efficacy. The mantra becomes a guiding light, a transformative tool that has propelled me past skepticism and materialized my desires into tangible reality. As we traverse the landscape of manifestation, the narrative gracefully segs into an introspective exploration of the mindset that often impedes successful manifestation. The tendency to focus on what one lacks, stemming from a pervasive state of scarcity, is identified as a pervasive stumbling block. At this juncture, the profound wisdom of Deepak Chopra is brought to the forefront. His teachings advocate for the quieting of the mind, urging individuals to engage in profound self-inquiry, asking fundamental questions about their identity, desires, and purpose. This strategic pause for introspection emerges as a foundational step, a crucial prelude to a successful manifestation journey. Crucially, the discourse then advances beyond the realm of theoretical pondering, emphasizing that manifestation is not a passive exercise in wishful thinking. Instead, it demands tangible, intentional action. The concept of crafting a new identity becomes a central motive, inviting viewers to vividly imagine the person they aspire to become and actively align their daily actions with this aspirational self. This intentional engagement is framed as an act of co-creation with the universe, a recognition of the agency individuals possess in actively shaping the contours of their destinies. The exploration unfurls further, revealing the pivotal role of clarity in the manifestation process. Viewers are encouraged not merely to grasp, but to crystallize their understanding of their desires. This evolving clarity is intertwined with the essential components of unwavering faith, the conscious rejection of limiting beliefs, and the cultivation of gratitude for every small stride toward one's goals. The discourse then pivots towards the practice of visualization, setting clear intentions and consciously detaching from specific outcomes. Importantly, these actions are not portrayed as desperate efforts or striving. Instead, they are positioned as purposeful preparations, a conscious opening of the heart and mind to welcome the blessings already set in motion by the universe. In the culminating stages of this profound journey, the discourse underscores the significance of positive affirmations as potent tools for reinforcing belief in the extraordinary power of the universe. Once again, the wisdom of Deepak Chopra takes center stage, urging individuals to wholeheartedly embrace the belief in the universe's transformative capabilities. This comprehensive exploration serves not merely as a roadmap for the manifestation journey, but as an immersive invitation for viewers to embark on a profound self-discovery. It beckons them to actively participate in the co-creation with the universe, a journey that holds the promise of unlocking the doors to their most coveted dreams and desires. Now that you've been equipped with the transformative insights and tools to harness the extraordinary power of manifestation, the time has come for you to step into your role as the architect of your destiny. Take a proactive stance in weaving the manifestation mantra into the fabric of your daily life. Dive into the realms of visualization, affirmations, and gratitude practices with unwavering intention and dedication. Your journey doesn't end here. It's just beginning. Join our growing community by sharing your experiences, questions, and breakthroughs in the comments below. Together, let's create a space where empowered individuals uplift and inspire one another on this remarkable transformative journey. Your dreams are not distant fantasies. They are tangible realities waiting to unfold. Embrace your innate power and embark on this manifestation journey with the confidence that you can sculpt the life you truly desire. Now, let's venture forth together into a future filled with boundless possibilities. As we wrap up this profound exploration into the realms of manifestation, I want to express my gratitude for joining me on this transformative journey. If you found value and inspiration in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for a continuous stream of empowering content, and hit the notification bell to stay connected on your journey of personal growth. Remember, the universe is in alignment with your dreams, conspiring to bring them into fruition. As you set forth on your manifestation journey, may you discover boundless joy, success, and fulfillment. Until our paths cross again, keep the flame of belief burning, keep manifesting, and keep creating the extraordinary life you undeniably deserve. Signing off with heartfelt encouragement and the firm belief that your best days are yet to come.